So here we got an Xbox One that has a problem with the controller, and it was saying that we couldn't control, but I'm seeing I'm controlling here. What I did was, maybe it was freezing. There was a lot of dust in here, so I blew out that. I know with it wired that sometimes you can press this button here and it does the Wi-Fi to connect it, because sometimes the Wi-Fi controller could go bad. So this remote's going okay. I do have some more remotes to test out. We'll see if these ones are working or not. So, okay, let's try this one out. I'll plug it here. So this one works. Maybe this one has an issue, I don't know. So I plugged it in, it's not lighting up. So probably could be a problem with the port. I'm not 100% sure. So this remote has a problem. And we will try this one out as well. Plugging this in and the light is not going on. So I'll be opening this up to see if we can fix that charging port. Yeah, let's do it. So for this to work, you need to have a good cable. This pink one now, I got working as well. It needs more than just power. There's 4 pins. There's VCC ground, and then there's TX and RX, transmit and receive. And if any of those lines are disconnected, it's not going to work. So this pink one is working. I'm just going to wiggle it. And if I wiggle it, it stops working. So it's basically a bad connection inside, probably. Just wiggle it here. Put it in. Okay. And this one worked as well. You can see that it's working there. So, and I'm jiggling it, and it seems to be okay. Let's try the cable. So that's the white cable. White cable's going good. So right now I'm suggesting probably just getting new cables, because even if I move it here, you can see it still has a white power button there, so that's fine. And she's moving there, and so I'm thinking it's just your cable issue. Just to be sure, let's open it up and see if it's okay inside. Hold it still. So here I've taken off the back cover, and we can see the charging port here. Is there any play? And it looks like a solid connection. So the problem is not your charging port right here. The problem is to do with your, and let me just double check the pins. It looks like the pins are okay there too. So it's just probably your cable. Just get new cable and it should be good to go, because there is no play there and it's looking okay inside. So if it's not working and your charging port's okay, just go out and buy some new cables. Should be good. Alright, so there you go. Working like a charm.